Hello, kid.
Hello?
What about? My washing machine is not working, and I think Magezi. Can you come?
Okay. May I do not get a zip, and just go on like 20 minutes, I think. Okay. Oh, how are you, ma?
How are you? Come in.
I'm good. So this is the washer?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Everything seems to be working fine, man.
Kid, can you come sit with me? I want to discuss something with you. You know, I've been divorced for a long time, and I don't have a child. So I was thinking you can help me make one.
I made you. Do you mean with the different to?
I'll pay you anything you want.
Bruh, run. Right now, run. Teaser.
Where did you come from?
From the smart part of you come for now. Teaser for now. Sumo gave up to buy.
It's not nonsense, man.
Nonsense. Susa's good mkadzero. She wants you to help her produce a whole human being for now. For free food.
Also, as long as you're
And she'll pay. She'll pay. For now. Taura zvese zvanosvira zviri pamwoyo ndazitaure.
Sagawati.
Okay, so that's all. Nindula iPhone 17, PS5, ne Honda Fit, new shape.
Okay. iPhone, PS5, the coming days, and the car, Perakomwet. So let me go and prepare. And I'll be back in a minute.
Van, look at this thing. This is poverty. This is suffering. This is pain. Stay in for now. Secure the bag, Kirunzo. Secure the soft life.
But you know what? Then go right to her.
Yes, I'm always right. I'm you, but with sense.
Let's get this soft life. Yes, for now. This is what I'm talking about. Andy. Yes.
Kip, I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. This is not me. I think you should go.
Medium. Don't be like that. Ingathatha kuyirana wena. Thatha diri bobo.
I'm serious.
Ko iPhone 17 zwa.
Ayo, you should go home.
Bro, nambokudza weze. Nambokudza pepe. Uzona. Mawanisha soft life at teaser. Mawani. Anyway, ane tupate ntunji kajembisha.